Is it time to buy or sell National Oilwell Varco stock? In this video, we are diving deep into National Oilwell Varco. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of October, 2025, our system has ranked National Oilwell Varco as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -0.94%. This corresponds to an average loss of -0.47% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further increases within this trend are likely over the next 3 months, but current trend indicates a possible change of approximately 3.18%, with potential returns ranging from a decrease of 0.732% to an increase of 18.37%. In the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months points to a projected change of -21.15%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between -42.76% and -17.11% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price estimated to fall between $7.26 and $10.52. Our latest daily update for National Oilwell Varco includes the headline, National Oilwell Varco Incorporated stock price ended at $12.69 on Thursday, after losing 0.94%. The National Oilwell Varco Incorporated stock price fell by 0.94% on the last day, Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, from $12.81 to $12.69. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.66%, with a day low of $12.58 and a day high of $12.92. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.08% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume declined on the last day, which paired with the falling stock price is actually a positive indicator, as volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 276,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $33.25 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $16.86, while the lowest price was $10.84. Currently, the price is 24.73% or $4.17 below the 52-week high, and 74.14% or $36.39 below the all-time high, which occurred on the 31st of July, 2018, when the price reached $49.08. NOV is navigating a mixed set of headlines as it approaches its third quarter earnings call on October 28th. The results from the second quarter indicated a decline in revenue compared to the previous year, missed earnings expectations, compressed margins, and guidance suggesting a modest revenue drop of 1 to 3% in the third quarter, with adjusted EBITDA ranging between $230 million and $250 million. The stock has already decreased by approximately 19% in recent months, due to weak drilling demand and delays in offshore projects, leading some analysts to highlight limited short-term upside. On the positive side, NOV has declared a regular quarterly dividend and has returned capital through buybacks. Additionally, the company secured a strategic contract to supply its SSY system for Argentina's first floating, liquefied natural gas project, significant for future backlog. In the short term, we should anticipate volatility surrounding the upcoming results, as well as continued downside risk if margins and orders fail to meet expectations. Looking further ahead, The contract in Argentina, along with capital returns and any recovery in drilling and offshore activities, could support a rebound. However, sustained appreciation in stock price will rely on improvements in margins and a stronger momentum in orders. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 8th of October, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NOV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital rated NOV as outperform with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler gave NOV a neutral grade with an initialize action. On the same day, the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Barclays rated NOV as underweight with a hold action. On Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NOV a sell grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned National Oilwell Varco stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book value as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for National Oilwell Varco. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 10th of October, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 3.09%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The stock of National Oilwell Varco Inc. holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal exists based on the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $12.84 and $13.12. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased along with the price, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for National Oilwell Varco. National Oilwell Varco Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $12.62. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.33.5 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.66%. In the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 3.45%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for National Oilwell Varco, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 27th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.240. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for National Oilwell Varco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for National Oilwell Varco is at $13.03. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could serve as a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, National Oilwell Varco faces its first support level at $12.62. If this support level holds, it might represent a favorable entry point, as a rebound could be anticipated. The combined average rating for National Oilwell Varco from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 20th of May, 2025, when Eric L. Matson conducted an insider purchase of 2,685 shares of common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is National Oilwell Varco stock a good buy? National Oilwell Varco Inc. stock currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that National Oilwell Varco Inc. will likely perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of October, we expect National Oilwell Varco to open higher by approximately 3.83 cents, starting at $12.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.